Hello everybody, I'm back again. So guess what I finally finished? Yes, I finally finished my little creation here. I love the way it turned out. And yeah, I'm excited. So let's get in there so you guys could see. By the way, hello. I hope everybody's doing good and having a good day. I know I am. Because this means I get to start a new project. And that doesn't go there. And so yeah, that always excites me. But I got to figure out what I want to do next. Which one of the projects I need to duplicate, well, not duplicate, but make another one similar to this. I have a custom order of one like this, so yeah, I get to put another one together. And I'm sure it'll go much faster now that I know what I want in it or how it's going to be structured. Anyways, let's go in. Enough talking. So this is what I have. I know you guys have seen a lot of this already as I was doing it, but this is that page. I'll start this side first. And here we have a little pocket here. Got a little net again. They follow my room, I swear. They love my room. The only thing that I just realized, I don't think I put anything in here. Nope. Okay, so I have journaling cards that were left. I'm going to pop them in there. I just realized that. So close that, so I won't open that one. But on the back we have two cute little journaling cards that came with the kit. I did not put any seam binding or anything, only because, you know, I was trying to watch the growth of this journal. I wanted it to close. So yeah, that goes in there. Here, I don't know if you guys remember, I wanted to put one of those little holders to hang out. Well, I had to delete that because yeah, it was getting too chunky. So that pops in there. I'm thinking I could probably do that, but yes, I'm gonna have to limit, like, you know, the buttons. I know that counts for chunkiness. And then here we have these cute little pockets, and this opens like that. So we got these two cute little tags here, and those just pop in there. And then here's the other one. If I can get it, if I can get it. There you go. I have that cute little girl there. And then here I didn't do anything to it. I figure you can use that for journaling, add your own personal pictures. But on this side we have a pocket, and it's just holding these two pieces of ephemera. And then I have a picture of this beautiful lady. And I just did a bit of collaging there. Try to keep it in the flat. Or yeah, you know what I mean. And then here again, space for journaling. Add a beautiful picture of your family member, your husband. So we will pop this back and close it so it won't get on our way. So then on this side we have that cute little girl. I did went ahead and add one of those little pieces there. Let your good things grow. And then on the inside I made a journaling card, which I was going to use recycled some of the packaging, but it was too thick, so I went for a cardstock. And so you have this cute little girl. I keep thinking that's like a little something, but that's from the picture. I guess it's a mole. But yeah, I love how these turned out. And all the images are on photo paper. I know some people ask me, these images came from Pinterest. You just search for vintage images. If you look me up on Pinterest, I have a vintage ladies and vintage girls, or vintage girls and vintage ladies. But there's a bunch of images that I have saved. So if you guys look me up, there's a lot in there. You could also just click vintage, you know, girls, vintage ladies, and you'll you'll get a bunch of them. And then I use my an app called Free Prints, and you get 84, I think 84 images for free. You just pay for shipping, which is like 10 or 11 bucks, so that's not bad at all. So yeah, that's how I got those images, because I know some people asked me, and I thought I'd say that real quick. And then here, and then on the front little pocket here, see, that's why my journal got chunky, because I want to add a pocket on every, I have a thing with pockets apparently. Here I left this blank for journaling, and then just did a little snippet there, my little pocket. On the back here we have a little tag also. It's been coffee tagged for journaling, and it's getting stuck because I have that paper clip there, and that paper clip is holding my little flap over here. And I have this cute little image of this cute little girl, and this paper clip, you can pull it out and you have a pocket in here, which there's nothing in there, but you have a pocket there. And then it's just holding these pieces of ephemera here that can be tucked in there, and then pop her there, and then get my little cute little snippet. Ah, look what I did. Must have gotten stuck and I pulled it. Hold on, let me see if I could fix this real quick. Okay, I think I didn't mess anything up over here, did I? No. There we go. Pop her more in front so we could see her face. There. And then the center pocket, have a cute little envelope that came with the kit, and then one of the tags. Yeah, guys, I really love this. I think I'm gonna have to make me one. And I'm debating. I have a design team project for a Christmas journal. I'm wondering how would a Christmas one look, so I may do that, because I really, these are fun, easy to put together, and they're fun. So yeah, a little corner tuck there, and I just have these two pieces of ephemera. So yeah, I may do that, guys. I'm thinking about that. I have the word thought, and then here again we have a beautiful image, my little flower that I was tempted to remove because I thought it created bulk, but thank God it was fine. I didn't have to do that. Here I have a label, and then in here we have another tag. Look at how pretty the little girls are. So cute. So those just pop in there. And then on this side we have, oh, and if you need to write, just open that flap and it'll bring it down more. I swear I'm gonna kill you, little thing. Sorry guys, I'm getting violent. Ah, okay, forgive me for that. I need to get me a candle in here. Here again I did similar to the other side, little pocket there, and it's just holding these bits and pieces. Here we have this piece of ephemera, and that's part of the kit. And then in here we have a tag that came with the kit. This is from my porch friends. And then this is just a cute little envelope. I found these, or were they gifted to me? I'm not sure if they were gifted to me or I found them in a thrift store. But they're cute, so I left them plain. I thought this would look really cute in a nature theme or botanical journal, but I thought it was so cute, so I popped one in there. Just distress the edges so you can put some secret notes in there or something. Here I have a tag that came with the kit. I love how these pockets turned out. A little tag there. If I can get it back in there. There it goes. A really cute little little girl there. And then this opens. I have a paper clip and it's holding this cute little image of this little girl. So that one just pops there. And then I have these pieces of ephemera. There's nothing in the envelope, but that's an envelope. But I'm not going to mess with it because I don't want to mess up the paper clip again like I did. Cute little tag. I love the image. And then on this side, we have these two pieces. So that closes. Or we can pop it like that. Here we have another cute little tuck. This is a piece from my porch fence, and then I have the word memories. I think that little piece was from Tracy Fox. And then I added one of these. Oh, there were two stuck together. Okay, I added one of these vintage checks. So this is an authentic check. This is from 1939, so I thought that'd be cool to add one of those in there. And then I just have a plain little pocket, and these I got on in Tuesday morning. So that just pops there. And then here we have the journal. I ended up putting field note book, and then I found one that just said journal, but I had already stuck that one in there. But this is what I did. I just added some of this linen fabric. I'll just slide it down. I added some fabric to the binding just to enforce the binding. There's my stitching, and then I did some zigzag stitching as well, just to give it a little extra. Here I didn't do anything to the journal. This is just plain pages. And you got some baggies there that you can, insert some goodies. But yeah, this is the journal. So that was cute, and I just added this, like I said, to the closure. If I can do it, can I do it? Yes, I can. Too lazy to tie it again. Just slide it. The only thing is I did move this to the side. That way when you have it in there and this closes, it won't interfere and create bulk. So that's why I just moved it to the side. Here I just added a little snippet just to cover my stitching from the button. That is a old button. I forgot what they're called, but yeah, that is an old button that I popped in there. But yes, guys, this is the journal slash folio that I created. I love the way it turned out, and yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll contact my buyer about this now that it's done. But I love it. I think it's so pretty, feels so yummy. But that's it, guys. So I wanted to share that, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and following me on putting this baby together. I had so much fun with it. I hope you guys did too. If you have any questions, let me know. I will talk to you soon. Take care. God bless. Bye.